What if I told you we're witnessing the start of an ETH supply crisis that could send prices exploding? ETH just surged past $3,600 as institutions bought 110 times more ETH than daily issuance? That's right. ETFs bought $727 million in a single day compared to just $6.7 million in new ETH being created. Meanwhile, XRP just smashed its all-time high, and the first major U.S. crypto legislation is about to be signed into law. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, and today's Crypto Pulse will break down exactly what this means for your portfolio. Welcome back to Crypto Pulse, your twice-daily dose of actionable crypto intelligence. If you're new here, I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you navigate the crypto markets with strategic insights and data-driven analysis. Let's start with a quick market overview. Bitcoin is holding steady at 253, up 1.6% in the last 24 hours. But the real story is Ethereum, exploding 7.8% to $3,607 as institutional demand reaches unprecedented levels. XRP is the standout performer, rocketing 18.2% to a new all-time high of 3.59, making it now the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Other notable performers include Solana up 4.9%, while the DeFi sector surged 16.7%, and memecoins jumped 13.8% in the last 24 hours. Now let's dive into what I'm calling the ETH supply crisis. We're witnessing something remarkable in the Ethereum market. ETF providers bought 727 million worth of ETH in a single day. To put that in perspective, Ethereum only issues about $6.7 million worth of new ETH each day. That means institutional buyers are purchasing 110 times more ETH than what's being created. This is an unprecedented supply-demand imbalance. BlackRock's ETH ETF alone attracted $499 million in a single day. That's 69% of total ETF inflows. Meanwhile, SharpLink Gaming has emerged as the world's largest ETH holder with over 326,000 ETH worth approximately $1.1 billion. They've just announced plans to raise up to $5 billion for additional ETH purchases. This is reminiscent of what MicroStrategy did for Bitcoin, but potentially much larger in scale. We're watching the birth of corporate ETH treasury strategies in real time. The second major story is regulatory. The Genius Act has just passed Congress with a 308-122 vote and now awaits President Trump's signature tomorrow. This is the first major U.S. crypto legislation and establishes a comprehensive regulatory framework for stablecoins. Trump's signing ceremony is scheduled for tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. This regulatory clarity could trigger significant institutional adoption and innovation in the stablecoin space. With the stablecoin market now exceeding $255 billion, this framework comes at a critical time. XRP has been on an absolute tear, surging to a new all-time high of $3.59 and becoming the third largest cryptocurrency with a market cap above $212 billion. This explosive growth comes after years of regulatory uncertainty, showing how quickly sentiment can shift in crypto markets. Is XRP's rise sustainable, or are we seeing signs of an altcoin season bubble? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's look at some key technical levels to watch. For Ethereum, $3,700 is the immediate resistance level to watch, followed by the psychologically important $4,000 mark. Support has formed around $3,400, with stronger support at $3,200 if we see a pullback. For XRP, we're in price discovery mode above $359, with $4 being the next major psychological level. Support has formed at $320. So what does this all mean for your portfolio? First, monitor President Trump's Genius Act signing ceremony tomorrow. This could be a major catalyst for stablecoin projects and broader market sentiment. Second, watch for ETH's push toward $4,000 as institutional demand continues to outpace issuance by orders of magnitude. Third, track SharpLink's deployment of its planned $5 billion capital raise for ETH purchases. This could inspire similar strategies from other public companies. Finally, be prepared for potential volatility around tomorrow's Trump token unlock as 45% of its supply enters the market. That's your Crypto Pulse update for today. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more twice-daily updates that give you the edge in crypto markets. And if you want to dive deeper, check out our full technical analysis and market mentor reports at moonwardcapital.com. This is Alex, and I'll see you in the next update.